Yes, I'm a little farther into the job, but this is the cam plugs on a 2009 Honda Civic 1.8. These plugs here. This one is leaking as well as the one on the other side. So far, I've taken out the air box and removed the negative terminal. There's a ground here, mounting bolt here that I've removed. I'm gonna try and get this wire harness free. Not try, we will. And from repair instructions, I heard I had to take the valve cover off. I hope I don't. We'll see. Forgot how cool it is to just look at trains close up. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm taking the wiring harness pretty much off as much as I can. I need to have access behind this main junction or just this main portion of where all these wires come together. I have a little room, but I need more, so I'll tell you everything I took off in a second. All right, so I have enough access now to where I can get in here with a wrench, but oxygen sensors had to come off, EGR valve unplugged, mass airflow, coolant temp sensor. I couldn't quite get the cam sensor off, but I have enough room. Injectors, map sensor, throttle control, I guess. VTEC, coils. Had to move my coolant line. Had to take off two 10 millimeters for this lower portion of the bracket just to get a little bit of movement. Just any and everything you need to take off to not break anything and get enough room to get access to this cam cap or this gasket over here that's leaking so bad. How we can tell is the leak is happening at the highest point. Above this is clean, or below it, dirty. So you don't have to take the valve cover off. I just did because I wanted to. Got it out, and yeah, this O-ring is super flat. That's the problem. I actually didn't bring this with me, so I have to find it. Hopefully I can find this today. Here's the little gasket. It don't come off. Yeah, that's an issue. While we're here, we'll do this easy cap. It really just pops out, and this one pops out a little too easy. Just wide, definitely needs to be replaced. This customer had an issue on both sides. Her cam seals were leaking, and look at, sorry cameraman, but yeah, looks like that one's flattened out a bit too. I got an extra one for the next time. That's the part number. Just got back from getting the O-ring for the thrust plate, cam thrust plate. Part number, I think it's only a Honda part. Don't even try to get it from a parts store. Already got the end cap for the other side end. I'm gonna try to get this together as quickly as possible.